Okay.
Hey everyone, it's Anna here at Dee's, and we have a super fun swag kit for the summertime, and it's one we had last year that sold out very quickly, and we've done a version of it for this summer that you are going to love, and it uses this glitter flip-flop stem. We've got the turquoise one. It's got all the fun grass coming off of it with the green, the turquoise, the yellow, and the pink, and we're going to pair it with this beautiful wildflower stem that's also got a lot of colors going on. I'm going to show you how we attach it to a lantern, but there's no reason why you couldn't create this and attach it to a grapevine wreath, or maybe you have a moss wreath or a boxwood. This is going to be perfect on there. So we're going to start out with our wildflower stem. We're going to do what we usually do and chop the bottom of the stem off. And then we're just going to take a minute and fluff up the stem. So everything on here is wired. It's super easy to work with. Take a minute, make it look a lot more lifelike and not so smashed right out of the box, and you are good to go. So when I'm doing it on a lantern, I always like to hold it up to the lantern and bring some of the floral to the top. So that way all the decor is not going down. You do have a little bit of height there, and that looks nice and pretty. So now we're ready to set that to the side and do our flip-flop stem. I'm going to do the exact same thing. I'm just going to chop the stem off. Take a second, fluff it, and actually I'm going to take this top piece, push that towards the top so it can get mixed in with the floral, and I'm going to lay it right on top of that fluff stem. I love the mix of the glitter with the realistic looking floral. It's kind of a nice look, and if you don't love a lot of glitter, it's a good way to get a little shimmer and not too much. So how cute is that? Now we're just going to add some ribbon and we'll be ready to go. So I'm going to set it off to the side, and for this one, since there's so many fun colors going on, I chose 4 different ribbons to put on it. First up, we're going to start with this multi-dot. It's got all the colors in it, so pretty and fun. We're going to make a couple loops of that one. Then next up, I wanted to add a little pop of lime green, so I just did a simple piece of it. I'm not going to do loops. And then the next one we're going to loop is this adorable turquoise gingham. I wanted it to tie in the color of the flip-flops. We'll make a couple loops of that one. And then I wanted a pop of pink because of those fun pink balls on the stem. So we're just going to add a little piece of the pink. The reason why I like to add in pieces as well as loops is because then it gives you the pop of the color without giving you the bulk of the loops. So now I'm just going to tie this in a knot. And I'm going to tie it onto my stems. We're going to go right where they meet in the middle there, twist it on. So simple to do. And then I'm going to go ahead and attach it to my lantern and cut my tails. So I'm going to attach it to the lantern right here at the steeple part of it. It's nice and secure. Twist it right on. And now you're ready to fluff your stem. So I'm going to take a minute, cut my tails, bring the floral back to the front where the ribbon kind of hit it. Cut all those little tails. There's a pink flower hidden back there. Bring that to the front. This is such a quick and easy project for the summer. It'll make all those lanterns look fantastic if you're putting them on your porch maybe, or on your mantle. How fun is that? And again, if you don't have a lantern at home to decorate, this is such a quick and easy project that you could create just like I've done it, but twist it onto that wreath that you have for the front door. So everything you need for this flip-flop swag kit is going to be available up on shopdeeslouisville.com.